in a while and I need to stop starting vlogs like this, you know. And मतलब मैं खुद की कैमरा की शक्ल मैंने इतने टाइम से नहीं देखी. But I'm finally here to tell you guys what's actually happening in my stupid little brain and why I keep taking these long breaks from YouTube. And it is currently 9:40. I did wake up around 8 o'clock, procrastinated again and again and again and again and again, then finally woke up at 9:15, which is still not bad because ever since I've come back to Manali I've been waking up at 11:30. पता नहीं मेरे को कैसी अजीब सी नींद आ रही है आजकल. It's like पता नहीं मैं कौन से गधे घोड़े बेच के मैं सोती हूँ. It's just, and I always wake up tired as if I don't know what marathon I'm running during my sleep. Like it's insane. And honestly ये same चीज़ मेरे साथ पहले होती थी. I think last year when all of us had started working from home, obviously the pressure increased because of a lot of reasons. We have been traveling a lot for the last 2 months and obviously that travel has come with a lot of work as well. But I think what has happened because of this is जो मेरा routine पहले होता था, at least जब मैं job करती थी, I have no routine now. And I'm just constantly tired because we have been working continuously for so long now and then attending functions. And honestly, you know, these social obligations also tend to tire you, like physically and mentally, and that is what has started happening with me now, which is why I came back early from Dubai and I'm like मेरे को मनाली जाना है, मेरे को अकेले रहना है थोड़ा time. I have started enjoying being lonely, you know, even when I have nothing to do. And you know, this kind of reminded me pehle, you know, when we were growing up we used to get bored a lot, and now I'm still growing up, now I don't get bored. It's interesting. And even when I have nothing to do, I'm just sitting on my bed and I literally have nothing to do, I still don't feel bored. My family is coming to Manali today and they're coming for New Year, so I'm excited to show them the house and show them Manali because mama papa kabhi Manali aaye nahi hai. मेरे को गालियाँ तो definitely बहुत पड़ेंगी, and I wanted to make this particular vlog long back when I had just come to Manali. Long back तो नहीं, मतलब like a week back or something, but I never got the energy or the motivation to, you know, go ahead with it. But genuine reason मैं बताती हूँ. So basically what happened was I forgot my USB hub जो MacBook में लगता है, जिससे you know जिसमें memory card लगाना होता था. I left that in Dubai. So Dubai में तो ideally I should have, you know, emptied all my memory cards and done all of this there only, even if I, तो अगर मैं, since मैं भूल भी गई, it would not have affected anything. But obviously मैंने नहीं किया because I am the master of procrastination. Then when I came here I realized कि वो shit मेरे पास वो है नहीं, and then basically I had no other means of doing anything. I could have just gone and got another memory card, but I didn't do that either. So I think somewhere mentally and somewhere down deep in my heart I just didn't want to do anything. And I just gave myself the space कि हाँ, you know what, it's okay, कुछ नहीं होता, तू chill कर, chillax, take a chill pill. And instead of taking one chill pill, I took an entire carton of chill pills. तो फिर मैंने finally एक Amazon पे order किया and it arrived yesterday. So I emptied the memory card and well, here we are. I got this new heater. And for everyone who follows me on Instagram already knows how much I hate it, because इसका मेरे को honestly यहाँ के लिए मेरे को फ़ायदा नहीं लग रहा. Obviously before coming to Manali I wanted to get a heater, and you know जब इंसान के पास पैसा आने लग जाता है ना, जब when you start earning money more than you expected, थोड़ा ना दिमाग थोड़ा ख़राब सा हो जाता है. So judgment थोड़ी cloudy हो जाती है. So whoever I know who is like a little well off and a little fancy or whatever, everyone has these heaters, okay? I personally with my family we've never owned one. मतलब मेरे को कभी honestly मेरे को properly पता नहीं था कि इसका exact use क्या है, whatever it is. So when I wanted to buy a heater, everyone was telling me कि नहीं oil heater लो, which is this one. ना मेरे को किसी चीज़ का ये पता है कि you know how much electricity consumption is there and you know all of that nonsense. So इस heater के फ़ायदे ये हैं कि it doesn't dry up the air around you जैसे blowers में तो खैर होती है dryness. And जो दूसरे वाले heater होते हैं उससे apparently पता नहीं सर दर्द होता है क्या होता है, I don't know. But the thing is, I've used those rod heaters in college, and I should have just known कि भाई वही लेना है, like, and not this. This was so expensive, but I thought I was making an investment, and you're just supposed to keep this on the whole day in the room, even though room garam hai, and this particular room stays like very very cold because obviously it's not insulated. even though the room is warm, obviously garam to hona hi hai because like it's on the entire day, right? And then I close the door and the rest of the house is absolutely cold because there's no other heaters there. So is heater ka fayda I think tabhi hota hai where I think the whole building is like centrally heated and stuff. So then that's when you don't need to sit in front of a heater and you know just literally burn your feet, right? तो ये तो किसी काम का हीटर नहीं है. मैं सोचूं मम्मी पापा के साथ वापस भेज दूंगी. पता नहीं क्यों खरीदा मैंने. इससे बेटर पैसा ही मत कमाओ, दिमाग नहीं खराब होगा तुम्हारा. इट्स ओके, योलो. बहुत काम कर लिया. Let me show you what all I got. I got katoris, some extra spoons, bananas, beans, more tomatoes, that's lots of tomatoes, baby corn, zucchini. अबे यार सब्जी वाले ने धनिया मिर्च नहीं डाला यार. Why do I still not know how to properly buy vegetables, right? So irritating. Mooli, bengan, capsicum. You get lemon here. I had absolutely no idea. I got milk for mom, some butter, obviously gobi, ooh, and strawberries, broccoli, lots of mushrooms. Yeah, that's it. और क्या क्या लिया मैंने? No, sorry, not that's it. I got some extra soap, got a new heater for the insulated room. I guess I'll have mom dad sleep here, or let's see where they want to sleep. I got 2 new towels for them. Yeah, everything is more or less set and sorted. I also got eco-friendly and biodegradable, you know, garbage bags for the wet waste. Because abhi tak I was using normal cloth bags that you get everywhere here. Yeah, everything else is sorted. Also bought a small saucepan for mom to make her chai. And also a new tea strainer. आज मैंने क्लीनर को भी बुलाया था. बढ़िया घर की सफाई हो चुकी है. Let's see if my parents are able to find something to crib about. I'm sure they will, but as of now, घर सही लग रहा है. Amazing. I've even set up my little gym equipments that I got from home. Just a yoga mat, 5 kg dumbbells, resistance bands, and a skipping rope. Oh, I also washed my clothes today. I'm too proud of myself. आज इतना productive दिन गया है. बढ़िया एकदम. Good morning. It is a brand new day and it is extremely early. I mean extremely early for me, for somebody like me. It is currently 7:35. What am I doing? I'm going to Sisu because मेरे पास गाड़ी है and I was thinking actually original plan ये था that I will take my parents today early in the morning and I've been hearing that there are a lot of cars as you can probably hear behind me. I just hope I get to go और ऐसा ना हो कि जाने को ही ना मिले. Traffic clear हो चुका है. Finally I've crossed Solang. Thank God. Took me 1 hour, 1 whole hour to cross like 3 more यार. Get out of here. Chalo, good. I'm away from the crowd and it is so quiet here. It is. Spoke too soon. But anyway, now it's quiet. Now it's quiet. Yes. मैं किसी randomly किसी के घर के ऊपर खड़ी हुई हूँ. I think it's okay. Should be fine. My गाड़ी is there. And not sure मैं अभी इससे आगे जाऊँगी कि नहीं. Let's see. Yeah, actually I might go. Because somebody was coming and I asked them if Tandita ka rasta theek hai. They said it was fine. So yeah, since I was telling you guys before, मेरे को मम्मी पापा को आज सुबह लाना था, बट एंड माई सिस्टर केम फ्रॉम अ ट्रिप दैट शी वाज हैविंग विद हर फ्रेंड्स. शी केम बैक yesterday एंड उसकी थोड़ी तबीयत खराब है. शी इज डाउन विद लाइक अ रियली बैड कोल्ड. So she did wake up in the morning. I asked her how she's feeling. She said नहीं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. So and we didn't want to leave her behind. So we will try to come tomorrow. But I knew कि यहाँ पे बहुत इस साइड बहुत traffic है, especially सोलांग वाली साइड. I just came to check how bad the situation is and it's pretty bad. तो वशिष्ठ से मेरे को सोलांग तक 1 घंटा लग गया. It's like a 10-minute रास्ता, 10-15 minutes maximum रास्ता. एंड मेरे को 1 घंटा लग गया. इट्स रियली रियली बैड. मैं बढ़िया अपने आप को लेयर करके आई हूँ एंड काफी टाइम बाद मैंने अपने सारे कपड़े पहने हैं. या एंड आई मेड माई सेल्फ कॉफी जो बिल्कुल ठंडी हो चुकी है. बट या दिस इज नाइस. दिस इज आई गॉट आउट ऑफ द हाउस आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. एक्चुअली आई वाज टेकिंग सम नॉट सम डेज ऑफ, जस्ट सम डेज इन. भी अजीब लगता है अभी भी, क्योंकि जब लोग होते हैं मेरे आसपास मेरे को लगता है कि मैं कैसे कैमरा कैसे बाहर निकाल के कुछ बकवास करूं. सो दैट्स व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग. दिस टाइम मैंने मम्मी पापा को इधर बुलाया. यू नो लेट्स सेलिब्रेट इन द न्यू हाउस. क्या टू मनाली. पापा बहुत एक्साइटेड है. आपके साथ अलग मैं सेक्शन लूंगी ब्लॉग का, टेंशन मत लो आप. आई नो दिस गाय जिससे मैंने अभी यहाँ पे लकड़ी मंगा ली. एंड एक्सट्रीम, लुक एट दिस. बढ़िया हमने सेटअप कर लिया. एक्सट्रीम छोटी की तबीयत खराब है, डम हेड. सो आई वांटेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू गाइस टू my dear friend Shubham Kaushik, yes, who has climbed Everest in 2013 and I met him through Instagram only. That time I was trying to figure out my life and हमारे बहुत बड़े plans थे to do a lot of things. I don't want to discuss that right now.
One of them was climbing Everest.
One of them was climbing Everest. मेरे 2016 to 2017 में she climbed what? Manali. But anyway, ये मतलब मेरे उस टाइम पे plans थे that I had got a job in Decathlon. इसी शक्ल अब दिख रही होगी.
Hi guys.
Hi, I climbed Mount Everest at 3 years old and 17.
So when I had graduated from college, I was trying to figure out जब मैंने अनुनय को follow किया था, ये देखो.
I'll give you a shout out.
Anyway, तो तब जब मैंने अनुनय को फॉलो किया था, इनफैक्ट आई हैड फॉलोड लॉट ऑफ पीपल जस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू विद माय लाइफ. एंड उस टाइम मेरे को ट्रैवलिंग का बहुत शौक था, हमेशा से था. ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ माय मॉम एंड माय डैड ग्रो अप इन देहरादून. ही वाज इन अ हॉस्टल. सो पापा को भी हमेशा से पहाड़ों का बहुत शौक था. वेलम बॉयज. जब भी हमें चांस मिलता था, हॉलीडे मिलती थी, वी ऑलवेज वेंट टू द माउंटेन्स. हमेशा नॉट नेवर द बीचेस, नेवर, ऑलवेज हम हिल स्टेशन जाते थे. पहाड़ों का जो कीड़ा है वो वहीं से मम्मी पापा से आता है. सो वंस माई कॉलेज वाज एंडिंग, आई जस्ट वांट टू फिगर आउट हाउ आई कैन मेक ट्रैवलिंग लाइक a very big part of my life. And मैंने TED Talk में भी बोला है, most of you who have watched my TED Talk will know, I was wanting to do my basic mountaineering and advanced mountaineering courses and then becoming a trek leader at India Hikes. That was my life plan.
Ultimate goal, yeah.
Ultimate goal in life was to become a trek leader in India Hikes, which is also, I think, which is a good plan. कि I know even if I was doing that, I would have been very happy. कि मैं after all of Dubai happened, after all of everything happened, I'm still back in Himachal Pradesh.
That was the idea, right? To be in the mountains always.
Yeah. So I moved to another country to afford traveling in my own country.
Can you put it on me?
Papa ko unnecessary.
And by the way, I'll tell you guys one more thing. Thanks to her passion, that we are able to meet a person like Shubham.
मेरे को अभी भी अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिला. मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता मैं कहाँ जाके सर मारूँ अपना. अच्छा, so anyway, let's get back to Shubham. So I met him also through Instagram. He climbed Everest in 2013, which is amazing, obviously. And हम पूरी रात हम इसी बारे में बात करते हैं. It was such a good icebreaker for you, by the way. After so long, हमने I think only with the family, very low key, we spent and just chit-chatting, general catching up, because ever since I graduated from school, I haven't really stayed at home, spent any time with my family, because उसके बाद हॉस्टल चली गई, फिर मैं दुबई चली गई, तो फिर कुछ ऐसे फैमिली के साथ ऐसे किया नहीं है.
I mean, I feel so privileged to be a part of the vlog.
And we were very fortunate
Lucky.
that he was there with us.
Yeah.
No,
10
but
years.
I think even I am lucky to have you guys instead of being, you know, in a bunch of random people.
You're welcome. Anyway, so
दोनों की दोनों. Don't mind.
I know about her to some extent.
मैं दिल से कह रहा हूँ.
Right?
Yeah, so if you guys want to go to Everest Base Camp 2024, you should let Brinda know.
No, please don't let me know.
Yeah.
You should organize something, na? You should organize
Yeah,
something.
yeah,
I'll lead
put
it.
it
I'll come with you. We'll lead it. हो something.
ये तुम्हें पता है ना, ये मेरा ब्लॉग है, मैं खुद एडिट करती हूँ, ये सब प्रॉब्ली नहीं जाएगा.
आप डालोगे.
No. So
नहीं.
Brinda is hosting like a meet and greet
No, I'm not.
in Everest Base Camp.
No, I'm not.
Your is 2024, so you guys have like more than a year to prepare for it.
दो
There are no
साल.
excuses.
2022
Work hard enough for your job. Work hard enough in your jobs. Make enough money. Save enough.
इस बंदे ने एवरेस्ट कर रखा है.
We'll be there.
Lisa, put this up.
But you should definitely come and it's very important.
Which reminds me, make sure you like, share and subscribe and
She's
help
always-
your girl grow, because I'm only doing this because of you guys. And honestly, मतलब मैंने 1 महीने से vlog नहीं डाला, मैंने कुछ edit नहीं किया, because I don't know, I'm just in a weird mental state where I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do with my life and if I even want to do all of this or anything. But it's Brind's Army who's helping me grow and who's helping me stay motivated. And in fact, I've been in touch with a lot of you guys because of the course also, and everyone is motivating me ki stories dalo, we want to know what's going on in your life, which is amazing because I never thought I was making such a big impact. And the best part about this job is that what I'm doing is I'm able to see the direct impact of everything.
On the ground every single day.
Amazing,
And
exactly.
the thing is, you know,
मतलब-
when you see a woman doing all this, no,
It's
just
crazy,
so
see.
And especially, and today also, मैं सबल के वहाँ पे गई थी. I went to Khab and I met a follower of mine, and she was telling me कि I started driving because of you. And it's such a big thing when a woman comes to you and tells you कि
Listen,
I started
my
driving because of
batchmates-
you.
My batchmates,
And
they
despite-
come up to me and they say ki, okay, your sister is doing such cool shit, we really want to travel just because of your sister. And I feel like, ठीक है, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. But I feel happy कि, okay, my sister is doing such shit, and you feel inspired because of my sister, and it feels great.
I mean, despite the
ये
fact
ब्लॉग
of,
बहुत लंबा बनेगा, but कोई
trying
नहीं.
to say.
I'm saying despite the fact that I've climbed Everest, but I do look up to her in a lot of
क्या
ways.
बकवास कर रहे हो अभी? ये सब बकवास हो रही है बस, मतलब ये unnecessary.
No, but I think if Brinda is around, then everybody around her feels so comfortable and sure that she's like the right person for any single job, right?
Yeah.
Like she's a born leader. She's a great natural leader. She's great at everything
ये
that she
मेरे को
does.
job
And you know, around her, you feel like
That's what I'm saying.
I
Like
want to be who I am.
everybody
Say thank
else,
you to him on the camera.
everybody else can take a back seat if
Yeah.
she's the one who's leading right from the front. So you
Yeah.
guys should definitely
Extreme.
Be around her.
be around her. I mean, consider subscribing if you like the stuff that she's doing.
Nice, good job, yeah.
You know,
Believe I'm spending a New Year's on the mountains. I've always wanted to do this. And after 3 years in Dubai, after that, whatever I was doing, after the job and earning good money and everything, you know where I'm happy? Here, with my family and on the mountains. And that's what matters. I think happiness is what you should be chasing all the time.
I mean, no amount of money can overcompensate
Exactly.
for
And I am the living example of it.
that
Matlab-
too. That too for the little
Sorry.
things in life, right?
Yeah. Exactly. Matlab-
It's not about where we are or what we do. It's
of
about
what you're earning, where you're working,
Yeah.
is nothing. It's about how happy you are, and that's it. And who you have in your
around
life.
you
Yeah.
Exactly. That's it.
at the end of the day.
At the end of the day. छोटी चेप हट यहाँ से. Sorry. Anyway, I think it's time to end this vlog now. Happy New Year. I hope
you guys have like a great year. I hope you find your Everest and you climb it.
yes. Find
Work
your
for
Everest
it
and
and
climb
climb
it.
it.
Yes.
That's my aim for 2022.
And 2024, we're going to Everest Base Camp if you guys are interested.
Please contact me.
जाएगा नहीं vlog पे.
IMSK 21, climb with SK, anything, reach out.
I will be there.
Okay, bye. Subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.